In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple sales pipelines in Monday.com. Managing multiple pipelines in Monday.com CRM is a great way to keep different sales processes organized. For example, you might have one pipeline for new clients, another for enterprise deals, and another for renewals or partnerships. The key idea is to keep each process separate while still using consistent structure and automation so your team can stay on top of every opportunity. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside, open the Sales Pipeline board. In this example, we're using an existing pipeline rather than building a new board from scratch. As you set up your own pipelines, make sure each one includes the stages you need, such as lead, qualified, discovery call, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and lost. Clear stages make reporting easier and help everyone understand exactly where each deal stands. Next, click Automate, and then choose Create from Scratch. This option gives you full control over the automation, which is especially helpful when different pipelines need different follow-up actions. Click when this happens, then select when status changes to something. This creates a trigger, meaning the automation will run automatically when a deal reaches a specific stage. Now click the status field and choose Deal Stage. Then set the value to Proposal Sent. This tells Monday.com to watch for deals that move into that stage. After that, click. Then do this and select Notify Someone. This action lets you send an alert automatically, helping the right person take action without needing to manually check the board. Choose Deal Owner as the person to notify, then click the Notify area to customize the message. Add a subject line and type your reminder message, keeping it short and clear so the owner knows what needs attention. When everything looks good, click Create Automation. From here, move to the Deals Pipeline board to repeat the same process for another pipeline. Click Automate, then Create, and select Create from Scratch. Choose. When this happens, then when status changes to something, click the Status field and select Pipeline Stage. For this example, set the stage to Closed Won, then click, then do this and choose Notify Someone. Click the Recipient field, select Deal Owner, and then click Notify so you can enter the message details. Add your subject line, type the notification message, and click Create Automation. And that's one practical way to manage multiple pipelines in Monday.com. You create separate boards, define the right stages, and then build automations based on status changes so each pipeline gets the follow-up it needs. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.